Want to print directly from your smartphone to your Brother printer? No computer needed. In this video, I'll show you how to print from your Android or iPhone using your Brother printer in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Make sure your Brother printer is turned on, your printer is connected to Wi-Fi, your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is very important for wireless printing. Method 1. Using Brother iPrint&Scan app. This is the easiest method. Step 1. Download the app. Go to Google Play Store for Android, Apple App Store for iPhone. Search for Brother iPrint&Scan. Download and install the app. Step 2. Open the Brother iPrint&Scan app. Tap on Select Machine. The app will automatically search for your printer. If your printer appears, tap on it to connect. If it doesn't appear, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart your printer and phone. Try again. Step 3. Inside the app, you can print photos, documents, PDFs, camera images. Tap on the file you want to print. Step 4. Before printing, you can change paper size, number of copies, color or black and white, orientation. After adjusting settings, tap Print. Your printer will start printing immediately. Method 2. If you're using an iPhone, open the file or photo you want to print. Tap the Share icon, select Print, choose your Brother printer, tap Print. That's it. No app required. Method 3. If you're using an Android, open the file you want to print, tap the 3 dots menu, select Print, choose your Brother printer, tap Print. If the printer doesn't appear, enable Default Print Service in Phone Settings. If your phone cannot find the printer, try these fixes. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on the printer. Restart your router. Restart your smartphone. Reconnect printer to Wi-Fi. Update printer firmware. Most issues are solved by restarting both devices. Important tip: make sure your printer firmware is updated from support.brother.com. This improves compatibility and security. Now you can print office documents, photos, PDFs, reports directly from your smartphone anytime. If you are facing any issue while printing from your smartphone, contact us. We're here to help you. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.